Hi friends, in my last video I spoke about Python and considered it to be the best programming language, but I know some of you might be curious to know which are the other languages that support artificial intelligence. So in today's video we'll cover which are the other languages and you can decide for yourself which is the one that suits you. There is a long list of programming languages that support artificial intelligence. It starts right from basic C language, moves to C++, Java, JavaScript, Prolog, Lisp, Haskell, R and Python, which we have already spoken about. You have this entire list available, but how do we choose which is the best one? So let's look into it. I know it's a long list to digest, but don't worry, I'm here to simplify and help you identify which are the languages to be used and when. So let's move to the first set of languages, which is like C, C++, Java, JavaScript. Now, when should we use these languages? Now, over the years, if you have built your expertise in these languages, then definitely your comfort zone lies here, and that's where you should use these languages. The other area where you should be using this is in case within your organization, if all your applications are built on C, C++ and Java, then definitely this helps in compatibility and you would be using these languages. Over the years, if you have observed that the gaming industry and all game development was happening in C, C++ and Java languages, so definitely in that area this is again a preferred set of languages. Mostly in the web development area, now we have TensorFlow.js, so in that area we should be using JavaScript. Now let's look at other set of languages. Lisp is an old programming language, but its history is even more interesting because this language was developed by father of artificial intelligence himself, John McCarthy. This language is called as symbolic programming language because it uses symbols and then there is a list available. So wherever there is a use case for list processing, this is the language to go for. Another competitive language which is available is R. R is called as statistical programming languages because this language is used wherever data or data analytics is required. Its major use is in the area of data science and machine learning. The next one which I want to talk about is Haskell. Haskell is called as imperative programming language and also called as functional programming because it is purely for mathematical functions. And but then for you to learn Haskell, you need to have a prerequisite of C, C++ and Java before you jump into it. The other one which I want to talk about is Prolog. As the name suggests, programming and logical. So this language is for your logical programming. So in case you want to have a program built for a kind of a process of making a tea, this is the program you can actually use and come up with the logical output there. So these were all the languages available in the list, but I know you are asking what about Python, which is the most talked about. So I won't be speaking about Python because for that you have to check out my video. With that, me Sarika Hussain signing off. Have a good day.